Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on August 22nd, 2025, which was about 4 days ago. The headline result is a feed-forward system that jointly reconstructs dense 3D scenes and articulated humans from sparse, uncalibrated views, delivering metric point maps with human semantics and strong accuracy in world coordinates. The paper is titled HAMSt3R, Human-Aware Multi-View Stereo 3D Reconstruction. And as we'll see later, the results are really impressive. Beyond accuracy, the approach remains efficient, avoids slow optimization, and demonstrates competitive performance on classic multi-view depth and pose tasks while excelling on human-centric benchmarks. Alright, reactions highlight a launch post announcing 2 new HAMSt3R members for human-centric 3D vision, featuring HAMSt3R extending HAMSt3R to handle people and linking the preprint and demo video. Engagement looks moderate, with about 100 likes. Earlier, I mentioned the feed-forward design and its human semantics. Figure 1 shows the end-to-end goal. Starting from unposed images, the system predicts a dense 3D point map that carries human instance labels and DensePose correspondences. The left panels depict multiple raw views, while the right composition illustrates the reconstructed point cloud with overlaid people and fitted body models, so semantics are attached directly to 3D points. These panels together emphasize that segmentation and DensePose cues drive accurate human-aware geometry. Earlier, the previous figure illustrated the end goal. Figure 2 shows the full pipeline, which starts from a stereo pair and runs a shared vision transformer encoder with dual decoders that exchange information through cross-attention. Separate heads then predict point maps, instance segmentation, and DensePose, so human pixels receive both geometry and body surface coordinates. The right panel aggregates these outputs into a coherent 3D scene, where human instances can be lifted and optionally fitted with a body model for evaluation or downstream use. Okay, the previous figure outlined the pipeline. Table 1 lists the human-centric training sources that drive the new heads. This table shows 4 datasets, mixing synthetic and real, with domains and scene counts, so the model learns varied poses and environments. HumGen3D and Bedlam provide large synthetic coverage, while HuMMan and EgoBody contribute real studio and indoor scenes. The balanced mix matters because it supervises segmentation, DensePose, and geometry consistently across human-heavy scenes. Alright, the earlier table outlined training data. Table 2 reports human-centric accuracy on Ego humans and Ego XO4D. The table shows that HAMSt3R achieves the best world MPJPE on Ego XO4D at 0.51 meters, which matters because it reflects true metric accuracy without alignment. On Ego humans, HSFM leads after alignment, while HAMSt3R remains competitive. The contrast suggests the feed-forward approach excels in world-scale scenes, yet alignment favored optimization-based methods on smaller setups. Previously, the results compared accuracy on human-centric benchmarks. Table 7 presents runtime for a 4-view, 3-person scene, which matters for real deployments because end-to-end latency controls usability. The table shows the unified model completing reconstruction, segmentation, and DensePose in about 14 seconds, with optional body model fitting adding 6 seconds, so the total is roughly 32 seconds. The modular pipeline lists many stages that accumulate delays, reaching about 118 seconds in total. Okay, tying it together, the key win is a feed-forward model that jointly reconstructs scene geometry and articulated people in metric scale from sparse, uncalibrated views, and it does so faster than optimization pipelines. DensePose means surface correspondences on a human body template, which anchors semantics to 3D points. That is it for the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.